This is a, simple and short game uh, I have developed. Uh, the scenario is that there are five tanks on this terrain or in this game, and the goal is to destroy them by dropping bombs from this plane. You can control the plane by pressing up arrow, which will move it forward. Um, Left arrow will turn it left. Right arrow will turn it to the right, and spacebar will drop the bomb. You can see number of tanks remaining ammunition, and the fuel left in the top left corner of the game. And the top right corner shows the top view for the game. So the main view helps you to locate tanks from the distance, and the top view will be useful to accurately position the plane on top of the tank to drop the bomb. So let's see if we can find any tanks. So I can see a tank there. And tanks have guns with which they can fire at the plane. And when plane enters the range of firing range of tank, then you will get a warning, and you would want to try to move out of that range as soon as possible. So let's see. I'm looking at the top right view to accurately position the plane, and I've dropped the bomb, and let's see if it hits the tank. Yeah, there you go. The tank is destroyed. So there is one tank here, which is, I think, quite difficult to reach. But I think you get an idea now. If you run out of fuel, the plane will crash and the game will be over. Also, if you run into any of the mountains, plane will explode and game will be over. So I hope you give it a try and you like the game. By the way, this game will work mostly only on desktops or laptops. Uh, I don't think this game will work on mobile browsers. Thank you.